This video will show you how to access Dropboxes and the corresponding assignments for those Dropboxes. When you're in your course, we will most often be in the content. This is our textbook for the course, essentially. The module will correspond to the schedule. So if we're on the Renaissance Literature module here, we will be also in the Renaissance Literature module here. Students will open up the content and you will start on page 1. Students are responsible for going through each page and studying the content and completing all of the prompts. As you go through each page of the content, you will be asked to complete various activities throughout. Some will be examples, some will be review activities, and as you go through and practice, you will get to assignments. The assignments, you'll be prompted to complete them. So for example, as we keep going here, our first assignment is the Renaissance Sonnet Analysis Timed Writing Quiz. Now on your schedule, you'll notice that this assignment is optional. So you do not have to complete this assignment unless you want to. You will continue going through the module and you will read about tragedy, the background of Macbeth, you will read Macbeth, and as you go through, you'll receive other assignments. Macbeth discussion, Renaissance genre comparison assignment. All of these can be found back in your course under the correct module title. Macbeth discussion, that is found under the discussion board. You'll scroll down to the Renaissance module, since that's the module that we are in, and complete the discussion. The next assignment is the Renaissance genre comparison assignment. This is a Dropbox. In your course, you will go to the Dropbox area, scroll down to the Renaissance Literature module, and this is where you will submit that assignment. As you continue through your content, you will get to the very last page that will have your quiz and tests, your final assessments. The Macbeth Tragedy Project is also under the Renaissance module title, and that is where you will submit your assignment. So all assignments on the schedule correspond to the content and the Dropbox. So when you're looking at your schedule and you see a project, or you see, for example, the Renaissance Tragedy Project, Renaissance Literature module, you will scroll to the Dropbox, down to the Renaissance Literature module, the Renaissance Tragedy Project. So as you go through your content, all assignments will correlate with either a discussion, a Dropbox assignment, or a quiz.